Got it here any shaker. So it's a little rubber, as you can see, a rubber cup with the rubber stain on it and a bowl for the mixing. If you need to mix some kind of powder, like a vitamin drink or whatever, with cold water, it does not mix that well. Sometimes it takes a while. So to make sure everything gets mixed, what we'll do is just put it on. Ooh, careful. And put it in like that. And just pull it on every corner. And it becomes any shaker. And we just shake. That's pretty cool. Check this out. You see? And the bowl, I guess, supposed to mix it up and help when we go in and out like that. That's pretty crazy. Look at that. It's filled up with air. We're gonna release some of the air. If you want to mix up some more, no problem. Cool. Very unique. And boom, take it out. It comes out with the bowl. So the idea on it, it's like loose going in and out in there. Very unique. Got it here, Brussel sprout cutter. So I guess we lay it sideways like this, a Brussels sprout, and then we want to cut it this way. And let's see what happens. Okay. So looks like we took out the cord on this side. It kind of took out core on that side as well. You see how there's a little core on a Brussels sprout? So we lay it down this way, and we want to take out the core and cut it in half. You see it? So we cut it in half and took out the core. There's the core, and there's the two Brussels sprouts with the minimum core. Interesting. There's a big one. Let's see if it does well. So if you lay it this way, we have to lay the gadget this way as well. Okay, you guys see it? And just cut it. Boom. Take this out. Nice. Super unique. What do you guys think? Brussels sprout cutter. There's another one. Look at that. Really long core. Makes it way easier. Imagine doing it all by hand. Got it here, Cupcake core and filler. So boom. Looks like there's different attachments. That's quite new. Boom. For bigger filling. That's unique. Whoa, that's cool. Okay. There's cupcakes. Let's start with the bigger one so that way you know. This is not for the, I guess, the biggest cupcakes. This is medium cupcakes. Wow, it did so good. Boom. And it stays really nice and intact. Then you want to get your gem and just fill it. You see it? Wow, that's delicious. So, and then you can even put this back in carefully so that way it does not crush it. Okay, nice. And once you want to eat it, boom, you have stuffed with jam one of those cupcakes. Beautiful. One more time, look how easy that is, and then I'm gonna try the small one. Pull it out. Wow. Let me take this out. Look how beautiful that is. Then you can stuff it with whatever you want. I got this bottle to stuff it way easier. Look at that. Stuffed it. And put this thing back on. Beautiful. Okay, this is quite unique. I never seen before a gadget that is detachable to a different size. That's one of a kind for sure. Very nice, high quality. One more core. You kind of have to dive into it. Oops. You know what? Didn't lock it in all the way. But it does work. One more right here. Hopefully not with a fail. You know what? I think we want to spin it one way, because if I'm gonna go in and out, it might take it off. So just spin it and push it. Boom, works so well. push it out, super easy. And again, just stuff it with the jam, honey, whatever you prefer. You can stuff it all the way thick if you want the jam or filling, whatever, without. Eat this by itself or put it back in. Either or. Super unique, don't you guys think? Check this out. And once you take a bite, see what happens. Boom, jam inside of it. Pretty interesting gadget. I really like that a lot. Detachable for bigger or smaller muffins. Got it here, next level timer. Check this out. This is something really unique. It could be timer for anything, especially for cooking. First of all, very slick and futuristic. So we can adjust the minutes by pressing it this way. Or you can press it into the seconds. And then you lay it down. And there is your timer. Let's see how it beeps. Lay it down. That's what it's going to sound like when it's ready to go. So this is 1 second. So again, you can set it by minutes or an hour. I think the coolest part is this preset. You press it right here to reset it. Once you're ready, I'm gonna put it on like what, 30 minutes? Or you can lift it up, press it down 0, 0. Let's see, we have 10 minutes. Let's lay it down. Timer have started. Very unique timer. I like it how it's preset on different stuff. All you have to do is just lay it this way and it will reset itself. What do you guys think? I guess it shows you the top one. Boom, 12. There you go. Now I get it. So lift it up, go 0, 0. What you need, 3 minutes. Boom, 3 minutes goes. Very interesting. Got it here, Toothpick Dispenser. Let's see what's about. So that's where you load in your toothpicks. Cool, it comes with a bunch. Okay, I'll put them all in here. You know what's funny? I didn't think it's that many of them here. But it is huge amount. It fills up all the way. So just shake it a little bit to where it's flat. Beautiful. Now close them off. Very advanced. There's on and off. Wait a minute. The batteries is over here. Looks like we need 2 AA batteries or something. Okay, it's on. And all we have to do is just, without touching anything, put our hand in and it will lift our toothpick. Oh no! If it gets stuck, just shake it up. Boom. I love it. That is so unique. And I guess you can just press it right here and it will lift you one. You see? Yep, definitely. Or you can just do it like that and toothpick will come up. That is so cool. Whoops. Sometimes it falls out. This toothpick, some kind of square one. And just press it off and hold it and it will stop working. And hold it and it will start working again. Pretty awesome. Most advanced toothpick dispenser.